Hello guys, today we are going to learn about payback period. So let's understand what is payback period. In simple terms, in how much time you will get your money back. That is nothing but the payback. Let's say that you have given 100 rupees to your friend and he tells you he will give it to you after 2 months or he will give it to you 50 rupees in each month. So what is this payback period? Payback period is 2 months. You will get your money back in 2 months. So like in the same way, when a company invests in a project, it needs to know the payback. What is the payback? The principal amount and when can it recover that principal amount? Not the interest part, the only the principal amount and when can it recover it. That is nothing but the payback period. So to calculate this payback period, we use a simple formula. We use the total investment that is made, total investment upon the cash flow that is generated by the project. Now, this is only possible if the project has an even cash flow or the cash flows of the project are in a proper manner or in the same manners. Like in the first year, I am generating 1 lakh rupees, second year, I am generating 2 lakh rupees, third year also 1 lakh rupees. So you will get your money back. So I'll give you a simple example for even cash flows. So let's say I have a project and the investment in that project is 6 lakh rupees. Now I am getting 2 lakh rupees each year as a cash flow, as a net cash inflow. So in the first year I am getting 2 lakh, second year I am getting 2 lakh, third year also I am getting 2 lakh rupees. So what can we understand from this? That we will divide 6 lakh rupees by the constant cash flow that is 2 lakh rupees and we will get the answer as 3. So 3 years is my payback period, or in 3 years I will recover my initial investment amount. Thank you so much.